learn robotics or want to try something new, science experiments, then I have a perfect solution for you. Visit our website sparklebox.co.in and you can find a number of interesting and engaging activity kits for yourself. What are you waiting for? Quickly visit our website sparklebox.co.in and grab some interesting kits for yourself. Today I'm going to show some interesting doodle patterns which will be helpful for beginners. We just need 5 materials to make this DIY, and they are A4 sheets, colored sketch pens, eraser, pencil and a scale. Let's take an A4 sheet and draw lines on it as shown. You can use sketch pens of your own choice and follow the patterns as shown.
In the first box, make a pattern by drawing the lines as shown with a blue color. Now, make another pattern with a purple color sketch pen in the second box. With a pink sketch pen, make another design in the third box. A red colored sketch pen and make small triangles for the fourth pattern. Now, for the next box, take an orange sketch pen to make a circular pattern. For the sixth pattern, let's take yellow color. zigzag lines with a green colored sketch pen for the 7th box. Now, let's take a blue sketch pen and draw the 8th pattern. At last, use a purple sketch pen to make the final doodle pattern.
After completing the patterns, you can erase the pencil lines with an eraser. Your doodle patterns are ready. You can share your work with us in our Instagram account. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. It's time for us to stay safe at home. And let's be creative at this time with Sparklebox. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, bye-bye!